Heat advisory up for Tuesday. The heat index could be as high as 105 to 110 degrees. The advice there is just to make sure that you take lots of water in and take breaks when you need them. Wear light colored clothing if you're going to be out in the sun. And look, it's going to get hot quickly. This is 11 a.m. 88 Birmingham, feels like 98 because of the humidity. And that's less about what it feels like necessarily and more about the kind of stress the heat's putting on your body. 102 Tuscaloosa, 102 is what it feels like in Gadsden before lunchtime tomorrow. Then by mid-afternoon, 3 p.m., 105 the feels like in Birmingham, 110 in Tuscaloosa, 108 at Demopolis, Gadsden feeling like it's close to 110. It's all about the humidity not allowing your body to cool effectively, and that's what the stress comes from. So could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm here and there, maybe even as early as 9, 10 o'clock in the morning south of Tuscaloosa. But most of the day is going to be dry for us. 3 p.m., maybe an isolated downpour here and there. Slightly better chance of some storms developing through 5 and 6 p.m. around Cullman, Birmingham, Shelby County, maybe even into Cherokee County. But then we get better coverage by Tuesday night into the very early hours of Wednesday morning over East Alabama. And that's where this heat wave is going to start to meet its demise. Spotty storms, heat index over 105 tomorrow in the mid-90s. It's going to be stifling even early in the morning. We may bottom out at 76, but we are not going to be there very long. Here's what the heat index looks like in Birmingham by lunchtime, midday. If you eat at noon, feels like 101 outside. There is about a 30% chance of a storm at noon, a better chance into the early afternoon and through the evening hours. But away from those storms, it is just going to be brutal. The heat starts to come down some Wednesday, still an impact day though, because I think the heat index could get to 105 even at 93. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, a better chance of rain. And this Sunday number, we might be optimistic and actually end up a little cooler than that because of this area of high pressure that's way up in southern Canada. 11 p.m. Monday, here it is, southern Canada. This thing has come from the Arctic. Now, I wouldn't necessarily call it Arctic air, but watch what happens with it by Thursday. Strong northeast wind cutting across the Great Lakes and into the Midwest. Still hot, still humid around here with some scattered storms. This is pushing a cool front south, and as that wind shifts to the northeast on Saturday and Sunday, we're going to get this thing called cold air damming. And the air is not truly cold because it is August, but this is something that we would see in the wintertime associated with maybe an ice storm or maybe just a big pocket of cold weather over the eastern half of the state. The cool air runs into the Appalachians, can't go up over them because it's so cool and so dense relative to the rest of it, and it just oozes right down the plain here into East Alabama. And look at the difference this is going to make. Here's Sunday morning. This is an improvement in the 60s over East Alabama, Birmingham at 70, Tuscaloosa 73. Now, this is a forecast model. I haven't adjusted these numbers at all, but watch what it does in the afternoon. We're only going maybe to the upper 70s in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. I'll take that any day in August. There might even be some places in East Alabama with showers and clouds where it's hard to get out of the 60s. We've seen that happen before. There's one incident back in 1997 where that east wind just took over, and there were some places that never got out of the mid-60s, and it rained over an inch. So we will get some good downpours out here. Tuesday, Wednesday, still very spotty coverage, but out here from Friday on through the weekend, highs are going to be dropping quickly. Lows are going to be in the 60s by next Monday morning. And yes, there will be some good rain at times, especially east of I-65 through the weekend.